First, we click the AI pattern on the right. Click the plus. Click AI Redrawing. Here we enter the page of AI Redrawing. Click Upload to select the original image. Here, we have chosen a T-shirt as an example. Select the area of the pattern, aiming to choose the flattest region possible. After selecting the area, click Confirm. Choose the appropriate continuous mode. Since this is a placement pattern, selecting two-sided ensures greater accuracy. After determining the image size, click Intelligent Generation. Now, we have obtained a clear AI redrawing pattern. We can click for more details. We can view, collect, or download the pattern. We can click here to compare with the original image. By zooming in, we can see that the generated image is much clearer. The colors are also better, and the edges are more crisp. We can click Favorite for easy access later. My favorites can be found under More in the upper right corner. Click My Favorites to view the pattern we just added.